Hello everyone, today I will need some filament clip. I will use place on the face, okay, like that, and fill wet with instance. For print the clip I will use ABS, fast profile for 0.8mm nozzle and layer 0.16mm for the nozzle. We must little wait for filling bed. The profile I make self for the speeds. I get one ready from QIDI Q1 Pro, but I make own speeds for the profile. For me is better, because the speeds is what I make for Creality Hyper ABS. I not use the preset what is ready for generic ABS. Because before I check the volumetric flow rate for this filament, and depend on this I make the speeds. I have some sheet for speeds for my printer, not only for my printer. This is not a sheet for speeds for printers BambuLab, Creality and QIDI. I have here now the QIDI Q1 Pro. I need the nozzle 0.8 and the layer 0.16, and this is profile for the slicer, QIDI Slicer. I put all this value for my slicer. Also here is for QIDI Studio the speeds and Orca Slicer. All I put from these sheets to my slicer. We see all is ready, and we have some error, but yes, we must delete some quantity of clips. I choose everyone like that, some, yes, and I push delete. Yes, something like that. Okay, I make this with shift. I push the shift and I choose with mouse every single filament clip. Sometimes the slicer not work correctly, but it's okay. It's very good slicer for work. something like that. Yes, now it's possible to make. Yes, 104 pieces. Now we check the profiles. We see all the settings for the profile. In fill I will choose 100%. Okay. Skirt we not need, support we not need. The speeds what I put here I have from my from the data sheet. Let's see here, all these speeds I put to the slicer, and volumetric flow rate 23, also from the table for the printer. Yes, multiple extruder will not change. Here is already will not change. Okay. Filament. We have 250 degrees. Bed is 90. Chamber 60 degrees. Cooling is like this for this filament. I put ABS 25 cubic millimeter per second for the filament. Overrides here, retraction length, retraction speed, the retraction speed. Okay. I not change the G-code. All is ready. We can slice. Little wait. Yes, slicing is ready. Is about 80 grams and 4 hours 44 minutes, only because is nozzle 0.8 millimeter. If we choose other printer 0.4, transfer this and we choose the 16 for 0.4. Okay, we can slice and we see we also choose the filament ABS fast. We must choose something like that, not generic ABS. It's not finished. Okay, 15 hours 12 minutes, 95 grams, something like this. Yes. But if we use the printer with nozzle 0.8, we transfer this. Also fast IBS profile. On the profile, this profile get. Okay, keep. And we slice. We see the difference. Also is difference for quality. Sometimes the nozzle 0.4 is not so good for make prints on models, and is about 3 times faster now, and less filament also. You see, 15 grams. Okay, all is easy now to do. We export the G-code. It's ready for print now, and we print them. How we see print finish? All is very good, and quality is good. Filament clip is ready. This is from 0.8 nozzle. For what we have the clip, this is filament spool. This is the clip. We put the clip on the edge, and we keep like that the filament in one position to not go